Transform your static documents into interactive gateways with Dochub, and I'll show you exactly how. First, open the document you want to edit in Dochub. See this text here. This is what we're going to turn into a clickable link. Now, locate the toolbar at the top of your Dochub window. Look for an icon that resembles a chain link. This is your Hyperlink tool. Click on that chain link icon. A small pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll enter the web address you want your link to go to. In the designated field, carefully type or paste the full URL of the website, resource, or even another file you want to link to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered the web address, click the Apply or Save button. You'll see the text you selected instantly change color and become underlined, indicating it's now an active hyperlink. Now, when someone views this document and hovers over this text, they'll see a preview or a tooltip showing the destination of the link. This confirms it's active. And when they click it, just like this, a new tab will open in their browser, instantly taking them to the external website or resource you've connected. You can add multiple active links throughout your document, connecting your audience to relevant information, product pages, research papers, or anything else that adds value to your content. This simple feature makes your documents incredibly dynamic and informative, ensuring your recipients have instant access to all the crucial, connected information. Go ahead and add these valuable connections to your content.